Here we got a 1964 Plymouth 383 cubic inch engine, which assumes the 4-barrel 330, 335 horse. It's kind of like 4 year. Well, this is like a predecessor to the Roadrunner in a way. It's the Sport Fury, and 4 years earlier the Roadrunner came out in '68. Basically, it's the same thing, except it's convertible too. It's got a Torque Flight 727B transmission, a heavy-duty transmission, 323 limited slip rear. They got a very good limited slip rear in these. It's an 8 3/4 pumpkin, which is a strong rear end actually. Not quite as good as the Ford 9-inch, but it's still very strong. And can handle a lot more horsepower than this thing's putting out. Just puts out about 330, 335 stock. And it got AC in there from the factory. And center console, bucket seats. And you see the tack is mounted up there. And the proverbial red. Dual exhaust. She's sweet.